Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clean your AC drain line without using Drano, and I'm also going to explain to you why it is the safer method for your air conditioner. Now, before you pour anything into the drain line, avoid using Drano and other caustic drain cleaners, as most of the AC condensate drains are made of PVC, and the harsh chemical cleaners can damage the fittings, the seals, and even create fumes inside the HVAC system. Instead, you need to simply locate the condensate drain clean out, which is typically a vertical PVC pipe near the indoor air handler. Then remove the cap and inspect it for visible slime or damage. Afterwards, you need to simply use the wet or dry vacuum on the outdoor end of the drain line for 1 to 2 minutes, and this is the method that any HVAC technicians use because it safely pulls out the algae, the sludge, insects, and other blockages without damaging the pipe. Now, after clearing the clog, you need to slowly pour the distilled white vinegar and the warm water into the clean out opening, and the vinegar is going to basically help loosen the light biological buildup that can reduce the future algae growth without harming the drain line. So after doing so, you just have to restart your AC and check the outdoor drain outlet. If you see the steady flow of the condensation and no water collecting around the indoor unit, it means the drain is working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.